You're welcome back to 7-day digital product automation challenge. This is the day 4 of this very challenge where I'm going to be showing you how you can actually promote your digital product and get your product to the first 1,000 people to see it. Okay, and at the 3 we launched our digital product and we posted it on the store and it is 100% live right now. Go ahead and watch the day 1, the day 2 and also the day 3 of this very challenge. Okay, so today being the day 4 of this challenge, I'm going to be showing you the free traffic sources. So we're not talking about generic and saturated platforms out there like on Facebook groups, Pinterest and all of that. All those platforms, yes, they give traffic, but people with 0 followers find it difficult to actually make sales and also generate traffic from those platforms. Okay, unless you're willing to build your platform for a long time for you to start generating traffic and engagement. Okay, but if you want something that you can actually post even without having followers and you can actually get some traction in it, then make sure you stick to the ending part of this very video, because I want to be showing you 8 simple platforms where you can actually post your content, post your digital product, your affiliate product, your blog content, and also get some traffic to it. Okay, we're talking about real platforms with lower competition. Okay, so if you're ready for this, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and let me know whether you've been following from the day 1 of this very challenge or you're just watching the day 4 right now. Okay, all you need to do is simply copy the product you want to promote. Okay, you copy that link. Once you copy the link of the product you want to promote, then the first platform you have to simply use right now to promote your product is BetaList. Okay, so this is betalist.com. This is a platform just like a blogging platform, but more like a community, a marketplace where you can actually share your digital product, your startup, your development tools, your web tools, your AI tools, your project management tools, your application. You can promote your AdMob app on this very platform. You can promote your blog website. So long as your product is online and live, you can promote them on this very platform. All you need to do is simply come to this very platform and you click on this startup button right now, create your account and also submit your startup right here. Okay, so if you can actually be able to explain what your product does, people that want that particular solution will actually go ahead and buy from you. Okay, so that's basically how this works. Make sure you publish educational content about your product. You are giving them the solution your product offers. The second platform you can actually use to promote your product is PitchWall.co. all right, when you come on the platform, what you need to do is simply submit your product. Okay, the best part is that the platform is 100% active. You can see people are posting their own product right here. You can see 3 hours ago, you can see this one right here 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, this one 3 hours, 10 hours ago, and a lot more. Okay, so once you publish your own, you stand the higher chance of getting your product listed on this new product. Okay, which means people can actually see it and explore it. All right, so if you keep loading, you're going to see new product that is coming up every single day. Okay, so this is the second platform, and the third platform you can actually use to promote your product, promote your blog website, your application, and any other digital product you have right now is Hashnode, where you can give visibility to your product, your digital product. What you need to do is simply write content about your product. If you write content about your product, then people can actually start reading about them, right? Like me making a review. Okay, so when you make that review, then that's going to simply help you a lot to get more visibility. Most of your potential buyers might not be on Gumroad. Okay, they might be on this website which I'm listing out right now. Okay, all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up. It's 100% active, and the best part is that people from the tier 1 countries are mostly on this type of platforms. All right, so the fourth one on this very list, we have the indie hackers right here. Okay, so this also works like this Hashnode. Okay, the same platform where you can actually share your content. You share your product as a content just to give visibility to it. Okay, so the same way you do on your blog website. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use your own blog website to get traffic to your own digital product. Okay, so remember, your website stand the high chance of ranking on Google, on Bing, on Yandex and other platforms if you can actually utilize the same strategy which I'm going to be listing in this very video. Okay, so go over to Indie Hacker right here and click on the sign up button, click on the join button right here. When you click on join, then you can actually sign up as a creator. So remember, there are a lot of categories right here. So for me right now, if I'm promoting this particular product right now which I've already created, I can actually decide to go with creators. Okay, and also they need my prompt pack. Okay, the fifth platform where you can actually publish your content to promote your product right now is SiteProjectors.com. right, so this is SiteProjectors.com, and then click on the sign up button, then you submit your product. Okay, so when you submit your product, then your product can actually go live on the platform, and you're going to simply see your product as newly published product. You can see these ones right here were published newly. You can see this one, today is 19th of February 2026. right, you're going to see right here, these are products right here people are publishing, and also most people that doesn't have digital product are also publishing their blog content on these platforms. And when you're promoting your product, you're not only getting traffic or sales, you're also getting backlinks to your website. Okay, Okay, so the sixth one on this very list, we have the projecthunt.com, right? So this is Project Hunt. I know most of you knows about this one right here. This one basically for people that want to promote their AI tools. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of AI tools right here, but you can actually go ahead and publish your own digital product. Just talk about your product. Okay, the seventh one on this very list, we have the AlternativeTo.net. All right, so this is a platform where you can actually submit your app, your software. Okay, and not only that, you can as well submit your digital pack, okay, like your PDF, your document, and lot more on the platform, and get people that will actually download it. This is how you can actually get your product to the first 1,000 people. All right, so if you're publishing your content on this very platform or your product on the platforms that I've already listed right now, that is going to simply help you a lot. Okay, and remember, you don't only publish once and relax, you have to simply keep promoting your product. Okay? So if you just show up once and you decide to go back and sleep, nobody will talk about you again. Nobody's going to simply be talking about your product again. Okay, you have to keep showing up every single day. You have to simply keep showing up every single day. Okay, as big as YouTube is also running advertisement on Facebook just for people to know about YouTube. All right, there are people that doesn't know that YouTube exists. Okay, and those people are on Facebook, and also there are people that doesn't know that Facebook exists, and those people are also on YouTube. Okay, so that's just how this thing works. All right, so bigger platforms are still showing up every day. They still need new customers and all of that. Okay, keep publishing your content and get this done for yourself. All right, so if you have all of these 7 platforms and you don't have the 8th ones, you are going to be missing a lot. Okay, most of my products right here that I sell on Gumroad, I get a lot of traffic. I get my traffic from my blog website. Okay, if you search for AdMob, if you go to my blog and search for AdMob, remember one of the best selling products on my Gumroad account is the AdMob pack. Okay, so if you search for AdMob, I make lots of posts, like review posts about each of my products. Okay, so you can see right here, these are how to start a Google AdMob. This is free alternatives to Google AdMob, and each of these content right here has my product in all of them. Okay, what you need to do is simply go ahead and get yourself a standard blog. You can see this is my own website, minjohn56.com right here, not a free blog. You have to get yourself a standard blog because this is what you need for you to actually scale up your game on the online space. Okay, if you don't have a developer, go ahead and get a developer to do that. Join us on our WhatsApp for my team to handle that. Okay, you can actually link it to any of these ways. Okay, if your blog content offers more reviews about your content, then people can actually go ahead and patronize you from your Gumroad store. Okay, so that's basically how this thing works, and this is one of the best ways you can actually promote your digital product. So go ahead and get your website. When you get your website blog, write tons of reviews about your product. Okay, and they will be willing to buy from you because you've already shared the value, you've already offered them the free version of what you're selling, and this doesn't happen by magic, it happens with consistency, right? So I've already given you 8 simple strategies on how you can actually get more people to see your product and also buy from you. Okay, so if you have Facebook, if you have Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok that you've already created for yourself, even if you don't have followers, you can actually start making posts. Okay, you can actually start making posts to grow your viewership, to grow your likes. Most of the time, most of the people that will buy from you are not actually the people that are following you. Okay, they are the people that like what you do. They'll be seeing your posts, maybe they don't like, they don't comment, but they are seeing what you're doing. So you don't have to just give up or tell yourself you're not doing it again because people are not following you. Most of the time, people will not follow you to actually be your fan. All right, and most of those people prefer to DM you than commenting. All right, so that's just how social media works. So you can actually go ahead and use social media to back things up for yourself and get your product out there. Okay, so if you found this helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this very channel, and also wait for the day 5 of this very challenge, because I'm going to be showing you the paid traffic method and also how you can actually target people with the right ad format. All right, that's going to simply help you to make sales faster with your own money. Okay, using paid advertisement. Okay, without waiting for organic traffic. All right, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel. See you in the next one.